Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create custom templates using Theme Builder. It lets you design unique layouts like 404, archive, and single templates. This is the default 404 page. Here's an example of a custom 404 page created with Theme Builder. Now, let's get started and build our own custom template. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Woostify greater than Theme Builder, and click Add New Post. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to choose a template type. Select Custom Template and you'll see three options: 404 template, archive template, and single template. For this tutorial, I'll create a 404 template as an example. Click Create Template to start designing. Now let's build the 404 page using Gutenberg. First, I'll add a heading and set the text to Not Found. Next, I'll insert an image to make the page more engaging. Below the image, I'll add a text block with the message, "Oops, sorry, that page can't be found." To help visitors find something useful, I'll add a section that navigates to other featured products. Now everything is set, I'll publish the template and preview it to see how it looks. Next, let's configure the settings in Theme Builder. Click on Display and User Role Settings. For display settings, since this is a 404 template, I'll set it to display on all 404 pages. In User Role Settings, you can define who will see this template, such as all visitors or only logged-in users. Theme Builder allows enabling options to hide the template on desktop, tablet, or mobile devices. We also can go to time duration settings to set the display time for the template. Now, let's see how the custom 404 template works. First, I'll move a product to the trash to make this product page no longer exist. Now, the new 404 custom template appears instead of the default error page. I've just created a custom 404 template with Theme Builder. You can follow the same steps to create custom archive or single templates as well. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit woostify.com.